Hi and welcome back again to my channel. I've got another interiors video for you. Sorry if you can hear snuffling in the background, that's the dog who's just decided to make an appearance. Yeah, I'm just going to show you how we've updated our playroom now that our children are older. So as you come into the room, you'll notice it's quite different from before. I will link a video of what it looked like before. But we've kept quite a lot of the furniture and things. So I don't know, we start as we come in. We've got the piano, which we got for free off Facebook, and I painted it black. I do need to, there's the dog. I do need to paint the stool to go with it as well, and cover it, but that's a job for another day. There's also a mirror there, which is where, if you follow me on Instagram, I take some of my Instagram outfit photos. We've just got a few like art prints and stuff here. That's a quote that I love from This Is Us. That's which one? From This Is Us. And there's always something random somewhere in our house. So there we are. A bottle of purple glitter. This is another print that I printed with a Bible quote. Got a reed diffuser there. Old school photos and baby breath. This is a throwback to what this room used to be like. It used to be a rainbow playroom. Yeah, another artwork that we printed out. And then in here we've got, this is an IKEA cabinet, which I think was originally a bookshelf, if you remember, and then we got the doors to put on just to make it look a bit nicer. So that's got a lot of the board games and stuff that they play now they're older. And then these wicker baskets used to be in the living room, and they've just got some of their toys in. So there's like computer game accessories, and there's a marble run in there and stuff. So they have still got plenty of toys. It's a toy box full of like accessible toys there. And then we've got this cupboard, which is one of the bester IKEA ones. I think that's what it's called. So in there hides iPad docking station and Xbox and PlayStation and all the games, as you can see, very neatly put away by the children. And then this side we've got some more traditional stuff. So we've got puzzles, wooden blocks, stickle bricks, things like that. And then this is my old Apple computer. It's very old, but it still works and it's good enough for them to do their homework and stuff on. So that's in here for that. And then we've got TV so they can watch films, see my reflection, and play their games and things. Next to the computer, I just like to put the chair here so it's out of the way, but obviously they move that round to in front of the computer when they're using it. And in the corner here, we've just got a little desk with a little chair. It's mainly for my youngest, just with some like art stuff accessible. So if you wanted to do some writing or anything like that, they've still got their Easter bonnets hanging up here. I like to like theme it. I haven't changed it back from Easter. Here, this, I'm not sure if this was here before, I think so. But this is an art piece I bought my husband ages and ages ago, probably before we were married. And there's a little wind chime there because we've got doors here which lead out onto the garden. It's the scruffy side of the garden there, unfortunately. And then yeah, they've got a car track, beanbag for when there's like friends over and they're watching movies. And then we've got this big Canax unit still with toys on top. And then all their toys are sort of organised into boxes here. So we've got Duplo, I think Play-Doh stuff in there, car tracks, there's craft materials in all of these ones. So yeah, it's quite well organised. I think that's like a miscellaneous box. train tracks in there. So they've still got plenty of toys. But yeah, it just looks more grown up. We moved out the sofa bed that was in here. We've replaced it with this one, just looking all scruffy, but it's actually a really lovely sofa bed from Dusk. So it's like this velvet green, but I do cover it in the blanket to protect it from the kids. So that folds out to a single sofa bed. And then I painted the radiators black because I thought it made the room sort of fit together. Then we've got our pet photos on the wall. We need to add Marley Cat on there. And this lamp was, oh, this was with us in our old house. It's so old, but it just really fits into the style of this room. Oh, the light fixture is new. I think I got it in the sale from Next maybe, and then it just took me ages to get someone in to put it up. But it's up now, so I'm super happy. And then down here, this is a washable rug from Ruggable. And believe me, washable rugs are the only way to go in a house with kids and pets. So this rug is a lifesaver. And this rug actually used to be in the front room. So you'll notice that when I do up rooms, I tend to move things from other rooms, so it's not so expensive and we're not buying all new stuff, basically. And then, yeah, this coffee table is a new addition, and I bought this because it does this. Da, 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 da. I don't know if you can see very well. So it sort of raises up like that, so we can move it a bit closer to the sofa, and then it's the perfect height for me to play games with the children without bending over and hurting my back. And also the littler ones can sit on this side as well, so occasionally they might eat a meal in here if we've got loads of people over or something like that as well. So this is from IKEA, and yeah, such a good purchase, super happy with that. So I think that's it really. Let me know what you think of our upgrades to this room. I'm really pleased with it. I think it's a really nice space that's just for the children, and if I don't want to tidy it up, or they don't tidy it up when they're told to, it doesn't matter too much. I can just close the door. So we say that this is their room and the front room is my room now. Not that they actually really listen to that, but yeah, it's nice to have the separate spaces, I think. It's nice to adapt it for as they get older. So they'll come in here for a movie, or they'll come in here to play games with their friends and stuff. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Do give me a thumbs up, and not a thumbs up like that, a thumbs like that. And leave me a comment down below, say hi. See you soon.